welcome back to Hot Math Science. Today we are playing with density. We're looking at density of all different kinds of objects. And so what is density? Well, density is really the amount of compactness that an item has, right? So technically it is the amount of mass per unit volume. But what that means is that we're looking at how many atoms, how much matter is really compacted into a particular unit or volume or space of a substance. So you can do that by weighing objects, calculating the volume, and then dividing the mass by the volume. The units are usually grams per milliliter or grams per cubic centimeter for solids. But today we're just going to be looking at something qualitatively. We're not going to quantify, we're going to qualify. So water is 1.00 grams per milliliter for its own density. So its density is at 1.00 grams per milliliter. Now that's a unique physical property of water, right? And so every pure substance is going to have its unique density. So it's an identifying physical property, a very important physical property to know about. So the kinds of things we're going to be comparing to water today are going to be some fluids. I have olive oil, I have rubbing alcohol, I have molasses, and I have some maple syrup that you could use alternatively to the molasses. I don't like to use maple syrup because it's more expensive, real maple syrup, so I just use the molasses instead. After I let those liquids settle, we'll be able to see what is less than 1.0 and will float on the water, and what is more than 1.0 and will sink. Then we can have some fun testing some different objects. So I have on this little tray here all different kinds of things. I have foods like gumdrops and cashews and chocolate chips. I also have a cork, a small nail, a birthday candle, I have a coin, and a ball bearing. So we'll be able to test some different items and see where does it settle in our liquids, and can we make a guess as to what their density would be like.